Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. From the platform of EnglishBuffet.5, I'm gonna impart you something of much value. Hope you all are ready to receive. Today I'm gonna present you something much valuable. Yes, it belongs to the topic of phrasal verbs. As I have already imparted you viewers a few lessons regarding the composition and combination of phrasal verbs कि actually ये होते क्या हैं, किस तरह से एक वर्ब के साथ हम डिफरेंट प्रेपोजिशन या एडवर्ब्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं और किस तरह से वो अपने लिटरल मीनिंग से एंटायरली डिफरेंट मीनिंग कन्वे करते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट the phrasal verbs. Now, today's word is put. I'll be telling you with the meanings as well as the sentences that how can you be using them by using your own knowledge of tenses as well as the meanings that the phrasal verbs will be conveying you after getting attached with a word that is put. So we know very well viewers कि verbs अगर अकेले हम यूज़ करते हैं तो इनका मीनिंग कुछ और होता है, लेकिन जब इनके साथ एक और वर्ड जुड़ता है, इसको एक फ्रेज़ की शक्ल देता है, तो इसका मीनिंग entirely different हो जाता है. So the way you can see in front of you, this is how the words will be differently conveying the meaning in the sentence. So if you really want to have mastery over English language, you need to learn phrasal verbs as they are much more important to be used by you everywhere in your day-to-day speeches as well as in your written work, right? So let's get started with the very first one. It is put into. Put into means to try, कोशिश करना, अपनी efforts डालना, right? You have got to put some effort into your work. Means if you really want to be successful, you have to put into your efforts. Number 2, put across. It means to communicate something, to pass an idea, to convey a message. Okay? So the sentence can be, he found it difficult to put across what he wanted to say at meeting. Means that he was completely unable to convey his message, to put across his ideas, whichever were prepared by him, right? Another one is put aside. जैसे कि आप इसका मीनिंग गेस कर सकते हैं. aside means if you are brushing something aside, if you are ignoring anything, if you are forgetting anything, we will be using the word phrasal verb like put aside, to ignore or forgetting something, right? They decided to put aside their differences. मतलब उन्होंने अपने इख्तलाफात को एक साइड पे मतलब इग्नोर करने की कोशिश की या फैसला किया, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ पुट अवे. इट मीन्स टू स्टोर और टाइडी, किसी चीज़ को नीट एंड क्लीन करना या फिर एक तरफ उनको स्टोर कर देना. लाइक द चिल्ड्रन नीड टू पुट अवे देयर टॉयज बिफोर बेड टाइम, राइट? आई होप you are getting. They are so easy. But keep one thing in notice that the way I am changing the preposition with the verb put, they are also changing their meanings. This is the beauty of the phrasal verbs, right? So you have to keep in mind while making sentences that which sort of the preposition is attached with the verb, right? Next is put back. It means to rearrange something for a later time. Like we have put up the trip back until June now. I'm gonna give you a tip whenever you are facing any phrasal verb for the very first time. Try to learn it with the sentence. Try to learn and memorize the sentence. Once you will be having the sentence in your mind getting formed, later you will be able to make your own sentence very easily. Okay? सो ये बहुत एक बेनिफिशियल एक प्रॉफिटेबल टिप है कि हमेशा इनको सेंटेंस के साथ याद कर लें पहली दफ़ा. जब दूसरी दफ़ा आप करने लगेंगे तो आपके पास मास्टरी होगी, यू विल बिकम सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट, तो फिर आप अपना सेंटेंस बना पाएंगे. लेट्स डू नंबर 6. इट इज़ पुट बाय. इट मीन्स टू सेव मनी फॉर फ्यूचर. लेट्स मेक अ सेंटेंस व्यूअर्स. आई ट्राई टू पुट सम मनी बाय एवरी मंथ towards our summer holiday, right? Means I am saving money for securing my future. Number 7 can be put down. To kill some animal because it's old or ill, whatever it can be. The possible sentence is, he had his dog put down because it was in a lot of pain from its tumors. Means deliberately, अगर कोई जानवर ठीक नहीं है, right, and you want to relieve its pain by finishing its life like, okay, so then you can be um, uh, visualizing such a scenario the way we are using it as a phrasal verb, like put down. Okay, number 8, it is put down for, which we did before was put down. It is put down for, so there is a slight change, but it is changing the meaning entirely. See, commit to make a payment. If you are having some commitment to pay to someone, you will say putting down for. Okay, I'll put you down for $20 then. Okay, next one is put down to. इसका मीनिंग होता है to give some explanation, to give as an explanation. He didn't score many, but he can put that down to inexperience. Means he was unable to score good, but he can still give all this blame to his inexperience. Means he can give explanation in this form. Put in, it means to install something, right? Lagana, koi cheez. They had to put in a whole new central heating system. So installation of any device, any machine, anything like this will be called putting in. Okay, because the house was as cold, that's why they had arranged, they had put in the central heating system. Number 11, viewers, it is put in for. It means to make some request. We have put in for a grant to repair the building. So put in for means making some request. Put off means stop liking something or somebody. Can you be quiet please? I am trying to concentrate, you are putting me off. Okay, it means you are annoying somebody. So putting off is used in that sense if you are getting annoyed by someone. Put on means to be fat, getting fat. He's put on a lot of weight since he gave up smoking. Means कि उसने बहुत ज़्यादा weight gain कर लिया है due to leaving smoking. Next one is put out. It means to extinguish a cigarette or fire. आग बुझा देना या cigarette वगैरह बुझा देना. The sentence can be in this way: he put out his cigarette before entering the building. Number 15 and the last one is put over, right? It means successfully executing. Okay, and executing what? It can be a scam or any trick, etc. Right? So the sentence can be: she put over a clever practical joke on us. Means cleverly putting any trick over anyone. That's all for today. Hope you'll be enjoying and practicing all the 15 phrasal verbs correctly. The purpose was to make you able to make good sentences. But remember, here another tip and trick for you is to make sentences carefully, keeping in mind the tense of the sentence also. Okay, you have to keep in mind the correct form of the verb to be used by you. If you are making sentence in the past tense, you have to go accordingly. Same is the case with other tenses. That's it for today. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it for getting more and more beneficial videos. See you soon. Take care of yourself, viewers. Allah Hafiz.